Welcome back everyone. You may be having an issue with your Windows 11 PC where for some reason your search bar just isn't working. Maybe you can't type anything in that search bar, maybe every time you try to it just doesn't work. Well, the first thing I'd recommend doing in this specific case is to actually go ahead and restart your specific PC. So what does that mean? Well, pretty much you just restart your PC. It's as easy as it sounds. So you can hold down that power button if you want to force restart it, or you can click on your Windows icon and click on power down and then just restart your PC. And once it's restarted, you want to go ahead and see if that actually ended up fixing the problem. Now, it's not a guarantee, but it is a way that I've seen sometimes to actually fix these types of issues. So in my experience, this is another massive way that I would recommend actually going ahead and fixing this specific PC is to pretty much restart it. And that should end up fixing it for the most part. Now, if that still doesn't work, another thing you may want to do is to update your Windows 11 PC. So if you're still even on the most recent version of Windows right now, there may have been an update already. So you want to go ahead and make your way over to your settings. You want to go into your update panel and you want to go ahead and update your specific PC to the most recent version of the update for Windows 11. So there's going to be updates coming out all of the time, and it only makes sense to go ahead and install this update sooner than later. So in my opinion, this is another big, massive way to pretty much fix this issue is to pretty much just update your Windows 10 PC. Now, if that still doesn't work, another thing you want to do is make sure you're actually clicking into the box of the search bar and make sure that your keyboard actually works. If neither of those things work, well, then you pretty much found your problem. It's probably just your keyboard, or it's probably just you're not typing in and clicking into the search box. Now, if those things don't work, another thing you can do is to pretty much reset your PC. So you want to go ahead and go into your settings. You want to go into update and security. You want to go to recovery, and you want to go ahead and reset your PC. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing this until you have everything backed up. So back up everything of your PC and then get into it. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.